In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another Facebook page to Meta Business Suite. If you manage more than one brand, location, or client account, adding an existing Facebook page to Meta Business Suite can help keep everything organized in one place. This process is fairly straightforward, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each part so you can follow along confidently. To begin, open Meta Business Suite and head to the settings area. This is where you manage your business assets, permissions, and connected accounts. Once you're in the correct workspace, click on Settings to open the Business Settings panel. From there, look for the Pages section and click on it. This area shows the Facebook pages that are already connected to your business account, and it's also where you can add new ones. If you don't immediately see the page you want, that's okay, because the next step is where you'll bring it in. Now click on Add. This button opens the options for connecting a new page to your business. Meta usually gives you a few choices here, so it's important to select the correct one based on what you're trying to do. When the menu appears, click on Add an existing Facebook page. This option is used when the page has already been created and you want to connect it to your current Meta Business Suite setup. In other words, you're not creating a new page here, you're linking one that already exists. Next, type in at the end the Facebook page you want to add. Be careful to enter the correct page name so you select the right one, especially if there are several pages with similar names. Taking a moment here can help avoid confusion later. After selecting the page, click on Review People. This step lets you check who will have access to the page once it's connected. It's a useful part of the setup because it helps you confirm that the right team members or users are associated with this asset before moving forward. Finally, click on Request Approval. This sends the request to add the page to your Meta Business Suite. Depending on the page's ownership and permissions, the request may need to be approved before the page is fully connected. If that happens, just wait for the approval process to be completed. And that's it. Once approved, the page should appear in your pages list inside Meta Business Suite, making it easier to manage alongside your other business assets. If you're following along in real time, just move slowly through each screen and double check your selections as you go.